Welcome back to the Morning Blend. It's more prevention-focused, patient-centered care for you. Healthcare Partners Medical Group, they've partnered with Humana, and they have opened 2 new clinics in our valley.
Here to tell us about the new locations, Dr. Alan Kwok Wong of the Durango Hills Clinic. Dixon Keller with Humana also with us. Good morning to both of you and welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now, Doctor, let's start with you. Healthcare Partners, as we just mentioned, partnered up with Humana to open up 2 new clinics here in the valley. Can you tell us about this expansion?
So Healthcare Partners just recently opened up 2 new clinics located in the Henderson and Northwest Las Vegas area to provide the community with more healthcare options and opportunity for the members to experience prevention-focused, patient-centered care under total care models.
Awesome. And I as a patient of the Healthcare Partners, I go to another one of the Humana linked locations. You offer this total care model.
Yes.
People hear it on TV. They might not know what that means. What is a total care model?
So total care models of Healthcare Partner, we see it as a VIP service and no additional cost to the patients. So the total care models provide each individual patients with a dedicated team of primary care providers, specialists, and team members to work together to manage all aspects of patient care and focus on their personal health, resulting to improve their health.
It's basically you're getting concierge service without having to pay that price.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it's great for your patients. Now, Dixon, can you tell us about your involvement in Humana's role?
Absolutely. Humana has partnered with Healthcare Partners to build actually 5 of these clinics. So the 2 new clinics that have just opened up are 2 of the new flagships in what I would call a state-of-the-art clinic. They are absolutely beautiful. These are built with Humana patients in mind for the Medicare Advantage patients to give them greater access. So in a time when a lot of times where patients have to wait a little bit to see their doctors, this gives greater access and quicker access to patients. And these clinics are state-of-the-art. They're in a modular concept with sort of a center focus area.
Oh, wow.
They're absolutely beautiful on the inside too.
Awesome. It really is a treat having been at another one of your locations. It's a Humana and Healthcare Partners partnered location. Very, very beautiful location. Humana has what's called an integrated care delivery model. What is that?
Well, integrated care basically means that Humana has patient data that we can give to the Healthcare Partners physicians, and we work as a very tight-knit team to deliver coordinated care to those patients. Okay? It's all about outcomes. It's all about preventative medicine. It's about those patients feeling better, keeping them well.
Yeah.
And that's really important. So we get to share that data with Healthcare Partners and work together as a healthcare team to bring those outcomes out.
Excellent.
Now, Dixon, you know that open enrollment is going on right now. Why is it so significant?
Open enrollment is the one time of year where all folks who are Medicare eligible, that's either 65 plus or folks who are in disability with Medicare benefits, can actually apply for Medicare Advantage or change their health plan to and from one carrier to another. It started on October the 15th and goes through December the 7th. So you want to act now and make sure you make those calls and make those changes if needs be. Another great resource is Medicare.gov for information. And
I've been seeing you on television talking about this as well. It's very important. The time is now to make your decisions.
Absolutely. I see you on TV too.
Well, there we go. There we have that comment. Doctor, so I mean, right now it's not only the access to make sure you get the right medicine, that you get the right coverage, but it's important to keep your current doctor as well.
Yes.
At this time of the year.
Yes. So as so Healthcare Partners, they provide the dedicated team to help to take care of the patients. And yes, it's definitely it's good that you mentioned this. So the patients, we have a team of team members,
yeah.
yes, to work together to help take care of the patient. So it's really important for that.
Now, if you already have a Healthcare Partners doctor in the open enrollment process, do you do nothing, or do you have to sign something that says, I want to keep the doctor?
Yes, they do. Yes.
They do. So
Yep.
make sure you open up your mail and check the column.
Exactly.
That's
Yep.
important to you.
And actually, if there's a Medicare member and they have a plan they like, actually, they don't have to do anything.
Okay.
So if they want to make a doctor change, yes, they have to make that request through Healthcare Partners. But if somebody likes the health plan that they're on and they like where they are, you can take all that junk mail, put it in the trash can, line
You're
the bird
locked in,
cage.
so you don't have
You're
to worry about it.
You don't have to worry about it.
Wonderful. All right, that makes it easy for people.
There are a lot of questions this time of year, though, because it does get very confusing. Where do people go with the questions that they have? You mentioned Medicare.gov is a good place to go.
Medicare.gov is a good comparative site. Humana.com is a great site. And HCPNV.com also has a lot of good information. And Healthcare Partners website actually has a lot of links to all the other websites for info. Or you can go to one of 2 Humana guidance centers in the city, and we have people there who can help you.
Now, you mentioned 2 new facilities, and there are 3 more coming online?
We have 3 more that were built a year ago,
Okay.
and these are the 2 new ones. And so this makes a total of 5. And if we are doing good with these, hopefully we'll get some more.
Absolutely. Well, it really is great, and it actually has gotten me out to the doctor, which I never did before. So it's very good. You have a very awesome facility. Thank you so much. It's great for you to join us.
Thank you for having us.
Again, Healthcare Partners Medical Group, they partnered up with Humana for 2 new clinic locations to serve the Valley better. One's on North Durango, the other one in Henderson on Green Valley. They're both locations are right there on your screen.
To learn more about Healthcare Partners and your options during Medicare open enrollment, visit choosehcp.com. Healthcare Partners also on Facebook and Twitter.